Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nizzysplayhouse. It's your girl Nizzy, and I'm back again. Hey, this time I came back with a wig review for you guys. This wig was provided to me by a company called Rethar's Hub. So make sure you check her out on Instagram. She reached out to me and asked me that I want to review one of her wigs, one of her braided wigs, and I was like, heck yeah, like what you mean? So I said yeah, and I told her what all I wanted and the specifics and color and size and all that stuff, and she did the dang thing, like wig wear, like you can't even tell this is a wig. And so a little bit about this, this is a full lace wig, like full lace, like, and if you don't know what full lace means, it's lace, the whole wig is lace. So I'm able to part the wig like anywhere, like a real braided unit, you know. So it's super cute. I would say this is about maybe, I want to say like 26, 24, 22 inches long. And this unit was like super, like it came with a bunch of combs, it came with an adjustable strap, and it came you know, with baby hairs already on it and everything. So the only thing you have to do is bleach the knots and cut the lace on the unit and glue it down. Like, it's so simple. And like, this is like a hair that, like, it's like vacation hair. It's like hair you can just throw on, like you don't have to go to the shop no more, because we all know like sitting in the shop for hours getting braids is not what's up. I won't give you guys a price because it's you know, it depends on what all you want, but I will say it was in the very affordable price range. And so I did receive the unit. It came all the way from Nigeria, y'all. Like, this is legit, like legit. I mean, you cannot even tell this is a wig. Like, the only thing I will say about this wig is because I got the unit like this, because I got the braids this chunky, it is a little heavy, like a little heavy, but you know, I'm all for big everything, big hair, big eyelashes. It is what it is. So that's the only con that I have with this wig, and it's like not her fault. It's the way that I chose to get it styled. So yeah, I mean, I really love this style also. So make sure you guys check her out on Instagram. Tell her Nizzy sent you. Yeah. And if you have any questions about this unit or anything else that you want to know, let me know in the comments section. And as always,